So it seems like everyone's going green but me and you. In fact, several companies have already started using zero packaging for their products. So let's start with our hair. Think about the times you've used up a bottle of shampoo and how the stash of shampoo plastic bottles that are thrown away accounts for over 80% of litter on the beaches. Now let's talk about sustainable shampoo bars like these from Ecobar, which could replace the 552 million shampoo bottles we throw out annually. Ecobar currently has 3 variants: thickening, hydrate, and detox plus heal. They also have a conditioner bar that is formulated to repair and nourish your hair while promising no product buildup. All bars are sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone, synthetic, color, and of course, plastic-free. At first, the shampoo felt weird because it's like you're using your bar soap. But what's amazing is that it produces enough lather to efficiently wash your hair. I directly rubbed it onto my hair since I just feel like it won't wash my hair thoroughly if I lather it with my hands. After washing, the feeling is the same as that from using a bar soap, like a squeaky clean feeling, so it felt a bit dry. On the other hand, the conditioner bar did really give justice for its purpose. I just simply applied it on my hair superficially, especially on the tips. I thought the effects would be the same from the shampoo bar, but it's just like using a typical liquid conditioner when you massage it through your hair. After rinsing, my hair did really feel shiny and moisturized. The price? 150 pesos for the shampoo bar, while 180 pesos for the conditioner bar. Although it's a bit pricey, one can go a long way that can outlast 3 bottles of shampoo, so it's definitely worth it. This is now my hair after using the shampoo and conditioner bar. What are you waiting for? Make the swap from your plastic bottles and give one of these eco-friendly bars a try.